The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with the North American Airspace Defense Command. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. This means that an actual attack against the United States is actively occurring, and protective action should be taken. 20 Chinese ICBMs were detected flying towards the United States. Some may be intercepted. However, that cannot be confirmed at this time. Due to the large amount of missiles, impact locations cannot be confirmed. It is heavily suggested that anybody within 200 miles of a military base to seek a fallout shelter. Now, fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in radiation sickness, cancer, and eventually, certain death. Fallout sticks to clothing. It will only take moments for the effects of fallout to spread. If there are no fallout shelters near you, then get to a basement or interior room in a sturdy building. Bring 14 days worth of food, water, medical supplies, first aid kits, cell phones, flashlights, and a battery-operated radio to keep you informed. The United States government and United States Armed Forces thank you for cooperating during this life-threatening situation.